In this guide, we explore simple and effective methods to import photos from Mac to iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11x, 876, empowering you to curate your photo library seamlessly across your Mac and iPhone ecosystem. Option 1. How to transfer photos from Mac to iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iOS device to your computer, open iTunes, and click the device icon. In Photos, enable Sync Photos. Choose a folder, and click Apply to confirm. For live photos, sync them from iCloud to maintain the live effect. Option 2. How to import photos from Mac to iPhone with iPhone Transfer. If iTunes doesn't suit your preferences for syncing photos from Mac to iPhone, consider utilizing iPhone Transfer software. This application simplifies the process of copying photos with just a few clicks. Option 3. How to move photos from Mac to iPhone via iCloud Photo Library. Open Photos on Mac, click Photos, then go to Preferences, iCloud. Enable Cloud Photo Library on iPhone, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with the same Apple ID in Settings, iCloud, and enable Cloud Photo Library. Option 4. How to add photos from Mac to iPhone via iCloud Photo Sharing. Enable Cloud Photo Library and iCloud Photo Sharing on iPhone in Settings, Photos. On Mac's iPhoto, go to Photos Preferences. Choose iCloud and check iCloud Photo Sharing. Option 5. How to get photos from Mac to iPhone using AirDrop. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. On iPhone, open AirDrop from Control Center. On MacBook, access AirDrop from Finder. Drag and drop photos. Confirm the transfer on iPhone. Option 6. How to send photos from Mac to iPhone with Google Photos. Open Google Photos on Mac. Log in. Click Upload Computer. Select Photos. Click Upload. On iPhone, open Google Photos. Sign in. Select Images. Tap Share. Choose Save Image. To add to iPhone Photos,